My name is Amanda Brown. I am a senior lecturer of sustainable food and farming. I'm also the director of the UMass Student Farm and the Agricultural Learning Center. So the UMass Student Farm is an academic program housed within the Stockbridge School of Agriculture. It's a year-long program that exposes students to all aspects of running and managing a small, diversified vegetable farm. Training the next generation of farmers and food producers is crucial to the sustainability of local food systems in the United States. Our production systems are resilient as our farmers are resilient. When it comes to climate change, we are looking at immediate solutions and then long-term solutions. And so, as a community, we're figuring out what best practices we can use to help mitigate some of the negative effects of climate change. As always, the UMass Student Farm is continuing its mission of educating the campus community about the importance of supporting local healthy food systems.